Hi guys, today I received this matte black towel bar. I dropped the nails stuff. Okay. Okay, it's a very nice towel bar. It's supposed to put on up on the wall and then you set the towel, obviously. It comes with these to install them, the screws, and the assembly instructions. Okay, so it's very easy and I'm gonna set it up upon the restroom. Okay, here I am at the restroom. I'm gonna set this up here so it's easy and accessible when we wash our hands. Ideally, it should be here, but we have uh, something on it. So what I'm gonna do is mop the holes first. Okay, so I'm gonna take the screw box that it comes with the towel bar. We take one of those and now we'll take the bar. First screw there so it you can hold it. This one. Okay, so it holds there. Okay, now the other one. And we tighten them good. So there it is. And you can take a regular towel like this one, put it in here, like this. As you can see, it's very easy to install. All the instructions are here. Done a few steps as you could see. And it looks quite nice. I like very much the color. It has a very nice matte finish, which looks fancy. Okay, so